Hello guys, in this video we are going to...
Oh wait, look what I got.
Wait a minute, what is this?
This is a mystery box.
But who have sent this?
I don't know. Look, our name is mentioned here.
Let's open this.
Please give me credit.
Take this.
I am so excited to open this mystery box.
Oh, hurry up. You're doing it too much slow.
Wait, it's done.
Let's tear this box.
Oh wow, there are too many gifts. I think this is portable fan.
Oh, let's unbox. That's looking cool. Show me.
Give me back. I want to unbox.
Take it out. It's looking so cool.
See, there are lights in it.
Oh wow, super cool. Give me that. I wanna inspect it in my way.
Sorry, but not. That's only for me. What's next here?
They are party balloons.
They are too much.
And they have multicolors.
Look, here is a pump with balloons. It's working.
Okay, if it is, so let's pump the balloon.
Sure. Now your doubt is clear?
Yippee.
See, there is a hand grip for me.
Are you sure about that?
Yeah, definitely. Wow, its color is too cool.
Bro, but I don't think you have power to press it.
No, I can. See?
OMG, it also has a counter.
Wow.
Let's see what's next. Oh, here is skipping rope, but in pink color, bro. Now, you cannot use it because it's pink.
I also don't want because I hate pink.
Oh, really? I'm also not willing to give it to you.
It's pretty good. Now put it away. See what is next in the box.
Wait, I will find first.
Let's check who will find first.
Wait, I got something. That is a paper soaps.
No, it's mine.
No, it's mine.
Give it to me. I got.
Bro, you always do the same, but they are so cute.
I will check them. Let's put it away and check the next.
Okay, I will find next first.
Let's check.
I find something.
What is this? Give it to me. I will check. Let's unwrap it first. I think I know this is a portable perfume bottle. Let's test it with my perfume.
Hurry up, I want to see how it works.
Wait, I am feeling it.
Let's stop it and check it fastly. Give it to me.
No, I am not giving to you.
Let's try. It smells so sweet. It is too cool and smart product.
Now put it away and check the next.
I think we are going to find the last thing.
No, I don't think that.
Yeah, I have something in my hand. I think these are the nail stickers, whatever glue, but that's all for me, bro. Let's unwrap this. There are too much in quantity.
Not tell me because I don't have any interest in these things.
Okay, so who are showing to you?
So whom you are showing to it?
Firstly, I'm showing to my audience because that's an impressive thing for girls. Now put it away and move to the next.
Now I will find first. I find another portable perfume bottle.
You have already checked this, so throw it away. That is in black color, so looking cool. Now I will take your silver color.
Okay, I find a weird thing.
I think these are the tires for our car.
No, you are wrong. It is a twister. See, it is rotating.
Good. Guys, hope you all enjoyed this video. So don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye.